Hello everyone, I'm Dayton with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to give you 5 tips, 5 benefits, 5 reasons for you to have your air ducts clean. How will you benefit by having your air ducts clean? Number 1 is that it promotes a healthier living environment. What do I mean with this? If you open up your vents and you look down into your registers on the air ducts, you will see a lot of duct hair, you will see food, you will see toys, you will see everything in there. By getting all that out of those vents, the overall environment in the house, the air quality will improve tremendously. You will be breathing cleaner air. Number 2, ensures the reduction of allergens and potential irritants. All that pet dander, dust mites, all that contamination, when you're breathing that in, you're creating irritation in your airways. That will make breathing a lot harder. Getting that out of there will help you breathe better. And that's number 2. After the cleaning, breathing becomes much easier because you're getting all that contamination out of there. You, your kids, everybody in the house will smell the difference right away. Breathing becomes much easier. Number 4, improve the smell and the odors in the house. If you have a lot of duct hair in your vents, that creates a bad odor. You're breathing that in because you're distributing all that bad odor throughout the house. If you have that built up smells bad. You're transferring all that throughout the house as well. And number 5 is that your home stays clean longer. You have a lot of dust in the vents. That dust gets pulling through the returns. It goes into the furnace and then it gets distributed out throughout all the vents. You just clean your house, you see dust everywhere. That means that your air ducts are dirty. By cleaning them, you're getting all that dust out of the house. Will you get a free dust place? No, you won't, but I would rather live in a house where the ducts being cleaned, where 95%, 99% of the dust is out of the house, than living in a dirty house. But those are my 5 tips for you, 5 benefits that you will get when you have your air ducts clean. If you have any comment, please leave a comment on this video, or if you need any help here in Louisville, Kentucky, please give us a call. We would love to help you with air duct cleaning. Our phone number is 502-365-6779.